How much do Amazon warehouse workers make in the USA? Pay breakdown. Thinking about working at an Amazon warehouse, whether you're planning to apply soon or just curious about how much warehouse workers really earn, you're in the right place. In this video, we're breaking down exactly how much Amazon warehouse workers make in the USA, including the base pay, overtime, shift differentials, and even bonuses and benefits. So stick around to the end of the video to see if it's worth it for you and how to potentially maximize your paycheck if you decide to join. Now, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, first things first, let's talk about the base pay in today's year. As of this year, Amazon's average starting wage for warehouse worker in the US is 18.75 to 21.50 per hour, depending on your location and facility type. So let's go ahead and talk about a quick breakdown by the facility type. Now there are three facilities. It's going to be fulfillment centers, sortation center, and delivery station. For the fulfillment center, it's going to be 18.75 to $20 per hour, which is going to be your starting base pay. You then have the sortation center, which will range from $19 to $21 per hour. And lastly, delivery stations to 19.50 to 21.50 per hour. And there's also a location-based pay. For rural areas, they will have a lower end of the scale, and cities like New York, San Francisco, Seattle will have the higher end. Amazon is known for adjusting wages based on local cost of living, and facilities near metro areas often pay more. Now, we then have the shift differential and night premiums. Amazon offers extra pay for specific shifts. So if you're flexible, you can basically earn more. For example, the night shifts will go ahead and add $1.50 to $2 per hour. The weekend shifts will add $1 per hour, and the overnight or the graveyard shifts will have the highest premium. Now, let's go ahead and say that you're working a 10-hour night shift at $20 per hour with a $2 differential. That's an extra $20 per day, or roughly $400 a month, just for working nights. Now, as a tip, these premiums can stack, so night plus weekend can add even more. Now, we also have the overtime pay. Overtime pay is a big paycheck booster. Anything over 40 hours per week is paid at 1.5 times your hourly rate. For example, if your base pay is around $20 per hour, the OT rate is going to be $30 per hour. So, for example, if you work 50 hours a week, it's going to be a total of 10 hours of OT or overtime. That's an extra $300 a week just from overtime. Basically, during peak seasons like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Prime Day, OT hours are often encouraged or required. It's great for your wallet. Now we also have the bonuses and hiring incentives. Amazon continues to offer sign-on bonuses and referral bonuses in selected cities. Now, the common examples is going to be the sign-on bonuses. It's going to range around $1,000 to $3,000, and it's paid in installments over 3 to 6 months. You then have the referral bonuses. This will range from $500 to $1,500 if you refer someone who gets hired and stays for 90 plus days or 3 months. From there, we then have the seasonal incentives. In high demand areas, Amazon may add limited time bonuses like extra $100 a week for completing all scheduled shifts and bonus for all working holidays. Be sure to go ahead and check amazon.jobs for active bonus listing. Now we also have benefits that can go ahead and add value. While not direct cash, Amazon's benefit package adds real value. Number one, we have health insurance. Full-time workers get medical, dental, and vision. 401ks with match. Amazon matches 8% of your retirement contribution. Third, you have the paid time off. accrued PTO, sick days, and vacation leaves. And lastly, tuition assistance. Amazon's Career Choice program covers up to 100% of tuition for selected programs. Amazon even prepays tuition for high demand fields like tech, logistics, and healthcare. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the examples for monthly and annual earning. Let's take a look at an example of what your monthly and yearly income could be. Scenario 1, you have the basic full-time worker. The base pay is going to be around $19 per hour. 40 hours per week is going to be around $760 a week. The monthly is going to be $3,040, and annual it's going to be $36,500. Scenario 2, you then have the worker with overtime and night shifts. The base pay is going to be around $20 per hour plus the premium $2 premium, it's going to be $22 per hour. Now, you then have 50 hours a week, which is going to be around 40 hours at $22 plus 10 hours at $33. The weekly is going to be 880 plus 330 is equivalent to 1,210 per week. For monthly, it's going to be 4,840, and annually it's going to be 58,000 plus. That's before bonuses and benefits. As I've mentioned previously, it can go ahead and range depending on demands on your location or holidays. Now, the factors that can go ahead and impact your pay. Basically, your earnings at Amazon can vary depending on your location. Urban equals more pay. Your shifts, basically night and weekends, equals more money. Your availability, open schedule, equals higher chance of bonuses. And your role. Some roles like pit operator and problem solver pay more. Now, as a tip, keep an eye out for level 2 and level 3 roles that require extra responsibility but comes with higher hourly rates. And so, there you have it. A complete breakdown of how much Amazon warehouse workers really make in USA. Once again, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Whether you're considering it as a side hustle or a full-time gig, there's definitely potential to earn a solid income, especially with overtime, shift premiums, and benefits. If this video helped you understand your options, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Let us know in the comments what you would like to go ahead and work at on Amazon, or have you already? Just go ahead and share your experience, and I'll catch you on the next video.